Hello, everybody. My name is Vika and we proceed with the massage tips and tricks. Today I'm going to tell you about a hot towel compress. I use this trick after a back massage or a full body massage. So, we will need hot water and a drop of essential oil. I'm going to use lavender essential oil. If you want to reach the tonifying effect, you can use citrus oil, for example, lemon, orange. And if you need the relaxing effect, you can choose lavender essential oil. So, we take a towel. Now we dampen the towel with hot water and squeeze out the excess water. Now we fold the towel and place it on the forehead. I place the heels of my hands closer to the temples and perform circular movements both clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can also do the pressing on the central part of the forehead using 3 fingers of each of your hands. We do the pressing counting to 6, going deeper with each count. Now we keep pressing for 1 to 2 seconds and then gently remove the hands. And now, again counting to 6, we do the same towards the hairline. Then we again dampen the towel with hot water. Squeeze out the excess water. Fold the towel into such a small pillow and put it aside for a while. The person's head is lying straight. I turn it to the side and support it by my hand. Then I place the head on the towel, hold it for several seconds and pull a bit very gently. I keep pulling for 10 seconds, then relax and remove the towel. And now I gently reset the head's position. Such a compress helps to relax occipital and facial muscles. It is particularly relevant if a person during a massage was lying prone or her face was in the hole of the massage table. Use these tricks during massages you give and be the best. Give your likes to this video. Subscribe to our channel and follow our next massage tricks. I'm Vika. See you.